In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a Sunseeker using the new extended Stow range from Rhino-Rack. Before commencing, refer to the online instruction manual and cross-check all components are supplied. The first step is to join the two Zwift lock connectors together and attach to the underside of the Stow base bracket using the supplied bolts. Next, close the Zwift lock mechanism and insert the base bracket to one end of the Rhino-Rack Pioneer, in this instance, the side rear. Repeat the same process for the front. Next, insert the Universal Adaptors to the Sunseeker. Balance each adapter evenly and tighten with a ring spanner. Ensure the distance between the Stow base brackets match the Universal Adaptors. Once aligned, carefully lift the Sunseeker into place by simply sliding the mounting system together and secure with the supplied bolts. Now, your Sunseeker is ready for use, thanks to the new extended Stow range from Rhino-Rack.